These are examples of two of the bags that we carry. This is our traditional ventilator bag that fits many of the traditional turbine and piston-driven ventilators that you guys may be familiar with. It's about 21, 22 pounds when it's fully loaded. And I was carrying both this bag along with this one. We cut down from the full 22 pounds that were in this bag to, the 1 kilo, 2.2 pound Sparrow ventilator. And as you see, as we open this up, you're able to see that we're able to fit all the components that we needed to ventilate an adult: our tubing, our oxygen tubing, the ventilator itself, and along with our oxygen bottle to deploy for simulation. And we didn't have to take anything out of our bags.